Yorkshire Engines. Big thank you to all you guys who subscribed to this channel. In today's video we've got a 2007 Nissan Pathfinder and she's absolutely gutless. So we're just going to do a test on seeing what we think's wrong with it. I'd like you to introduce my youngest son Kyle. Kyle's going to be joining the family business very, very shortly. Hopefully he's going to be able to help me keep on top of things with emails and things, because I'm a bit old school, if you know what I mean. I think we had a competition not so long ago and I think I do 16 words per minute and Kyle can do how many? 150 words a minute with how much accuracy? 99.9% accuracy. That's that! So yeah, he's going to help us to keep on top of things. Right Kyle, get her up and running. You come and have a look at this. Kyle, nice hard rev please. Turn it off. Right guys, you can see that boost sensor didn't throw my hands apart. So it's the boost solenoid that's faulty. £260 for this part guys, and it gives the vehicle gutless. So the part number is 14956 EB300, and this is what the bad boy looks like. There you go guys. Now that can actually fit on one of two ways. It can either fit that way or it can fit that way, and that's important because you want to be replacing the pipes in the right places, and I'll show you how to do it. There's a metal retaining clip for the electrical clip and it just pops off. You see it there guys? Don't lose that metal clip because you need it, that's what locks it onto position. So now I can use a pair of pliers just to break the seal. That's the first one. See, I've taken it off the end because it's like that, and it just slides on there like that, and you just do the same and that'll give it full power again. So there you go. Right guys, we've got some interesting videos coming up, got some right information to share with you. Big thank you to all you guys who support us. It means a lot to us, it really does, as a family run business. Right, so that's that car repaired. Need my help and assistance at all, you can give me a call on 03333 44 6979. Email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. Give us a like, come again.